Tonight, 12 million students in Japan are out of classes. Schools across the country closed for a month to stop the spread of coronavirus. Cases here now top 200, with 2 more deaths, including a 6th passenger from the Diamond Princess cruise ship. Tonight, the World Health Organization raising the risk level globally to very high.
Health systems around the world are not ready and need to be better prepared to absorb the impact.
Disneyland closed its gates for the first time since the devastating earthquake and tsunami in 2011. This visitor says, "I don't know who has the virus. I can't see it. It's best Disneyland closes." Tokyo putting the finishing touches on Olympic venues, saying there is no plan B. The games now 5 months away. Japanese officials insist preparations for the games are moving forward as planned and on schedule. But officials now considering scaling back the torch relay next month to limit crowds as the new virus pops up in more countries. New Zealand, Nigeria, and 2 cases in Mexico, both men who'd been to Italy. World markets are in a tailspin, stocks plummeting roughly 4% in China, Japan, and Europe. In Switzerland, the Geneva Motor Show now canceled, the government banning all gatherings of 1,000 people or more. The European outbreak concentrated in Italy, where 4 more people have died and cases spiking again, now at 821. In Iran, they canceled Friday prayers, disinfecting instead. In Jerusalem, Catholic priests being told to give communion by hand only. And tonight, Germany, which now has the 2nd most cases in Europe at more than 60, is considering canceling all major international events and conferences.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.